Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. Today we'll have another episode of our discussion in management accounting. So let's explore the topic on uh, this is one of the important topic in management accounting. So let me share it now. So the producing balance sheet. No? So this is crucial uh, in decision making. As we said, accounting is a research of a business operation. So let's have discuss it now. So, introduction: a balance sheet is a core financial statement that provides a snapshot of an organization's financial position at a specific in time, no? A specific point in time. For example, today, this day, no, this month. So we know if we're making or losing. So it presents assets, liabilities, and equities, showing how resources are financed and how effectively they are managed. Producing a balance sheet is an essential process for financial transparency, compliance, and strategic decision making. So that's why this is very important. So the purpose, producing a balance sheet is to summarize an organization financial standing. So what it is now, in terms of target revenue. Okay, enables performance analysis, meet legal reporting requirements, and provide stakeholders with a clear view of the business health and solvency. Also, this is a basis of investors' confidence. So the main point here is gathering financial data, like collecting records of assets, no, like cash, receivables, inventory, property. So compile liabilities, loans, payables, accrued expenses, and confirm owner's equity or retained earnings. Two, classification of accounts with assets, we have the current short-term and non-current long-term. Then liabilities, current and long-term obligations. Equity, share capital, reserves, retained earnings. And then we have the balancing principles. The accounting equation: assets is equals to liabilities plus equity must hold true. So this is the general principles in accounting. So formatting and compliance, for example, the GAAP ensures accurate, consistent, and uh, documented. That is for the preparation for the audit. And then review and approval. No? Cross-check varies. Cross-check entries with supporting documents. So management approval before presentation to stakeholders. So as a validation, IASB compliance with IFRS, no? And then for global investors. Accurate, comparable, and useful for global investors. So PwC survey, 87% of executives rely on balance sheets for strategic planning, investment decision. So example, we have here simplified balance sheet. We have assets, that is current assets, and there's amount. Liabilities and equities amount. So we have cash, 50,000, accounts payables, 20,000. Accounts receivable, 30,000, short-term loans, 15,000. Inventory, 20,000, non-current liabilities. Uh, and then we have non-current assets, no? Equipment, long-term debt, no? Equity. So assets, we have a land, 35,000. Liability, equity owner's capital amount, 85. So total assets is balanced, no? Okay, and total liabilities is 175,000. So this applied business owners track financial progress and plan expansion. Investors evaluate the organization's financial ability. Banks assess creditworthiness before lending, regulators ensure compliance with reporting standards. The value is producing balance sheet provides a clear and structured financial overview that supports better decision making, builds investors' confidence, helps secure financing. Yeah, because banks is looking after with the balance with your balance sheet, no, before releasing the loan, no? For instance, for example, it also enhances transparency, which is vital for maintaining trust with stakeholders. So, in conclusion, producing balance sheet is not merely compliance task. It is a strategic financial practice that reflects company's fiscal health and operational effectiveness. By accurately presenting assets, liabilities, and equity, it enables informed decision making and long-term business sustainability. So we look at this from IASB, PwC, from Warren. Okay. So if you have some question, you just message me then. Okay. So let's continue our segment maybe tomorrow. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.